If you think saving money alone is enough to get rich, you're about to discover a harsh truth most people never face. This truth quietly determines whether you stay trapped in financial mediocrity or step onto the path of true wealth. Saving by itself will never make you wealthy, and relying solely on a bank account can give you a false sense of security. Inflation, missed opportunities, and lost time quietly erode your potential while you sleep, often without you noticing. Most people believe that skipping a daily coffee, canceling subscriptions, or cutting back on small luxuries is the secret to financial freedom. But the reality is that money sitting idle in a bank loses value every year, and the interest it earns rarely keeps up with rising costs of living. Your hard-earned dollars are quietly shrinking while you sleep, giving you comfort but not freedom. True wealth comes from treating money as a tool, not a goal, and understanding that every dollar can be a soldier deployed to work for you instead of against you. Smart investments, side hustles, acquiring marketable skills, or purchasing assets that grow over time are the tools the wealthy use. Meanwhile, those who simply save remain trapped in the slow cycle of survival, watching opportunities slip past them. Saving alone fosters a scarcity mindset, keeping people focused on fear, deprivation, and the next paycheck. The wealthy, on the other hand, embrace calculated risk, patience, and the power of compounding to create exponential growth. Inflation is a silent thief of your financial security, eroding the value of cash over time. Delaying investment is costly because even $50, $100 a month in an index fund compounded over decades can turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars. Every day spent procrastinating is lost potential, time that your money could have spent multiplying for you. The wealthy rarely rely on one paycheck. They create multiple income streams, side hustles, freelancing, digital products, and small businesses. These income streams make money work for them while they sleep. Discipline combined with creativity allows them to leverage every dollar, every skill, and every opportunity to build exponential growth. Those who save alone remain in stagnation, while the wealthy continually grow their net worth. An emergency fund is essential to protect against sudden setbacks like car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. But once that protection is in place, extra money should never sit idle. It should be invested, deployed, and used strategically to create wealth. Emotional traps keep savers stagnant, celebrating small balances in bank accounts while ignoring opportunities that could multiply their wealth tenfold. Fear of risk prevents action, while the rich embrace calculated risk. Understanding discomfort and uncertainty as necessary steps toward financial freedom. Compound interest is the ultimate wealth-building tool ignored by most savers. It turns even small, consistent investments into significant wealth over time, while savings accounts fail to harness its power, leaving money stagnant. Wealth requires a mindset shift, thinking in decades rather than weeks. Savers remain reactive, cautious, and fearful, while the wealthy see money as leverage, opportunity, and freedom. By auditing finances, tracking every expense, building an emergency fund, investing consistently, developing multiple income streams, and continuously educating yourself, the illusion of safety provided by saving alone fades. It is replaced by a strategy for freedom, growth, and long-term wealth. Wealth is not luck, inheritance, or perfect timing. It is intentional action, strategic deployment of money, and a growth-focused mindset that turns every dollar into a soldier for your future. Saving is necessary, yes, but without investing, risk-taking, and disciplined creativity, money will never reach its full potential. The life you dream of will remain out of reach. The choice is yours. Continue playing it safe, trapped in the slow comfort of saving alone, or take control. Start deploying your money strategically, harness compounding, and build income streams. This creates a financial legacy that grows while you sleep, giving you freedom, flexibility, and power to live life on your own terms. Break free from scarcity and step into a future where money serves you, not the other way around. Every dollar, every decision, every small step now compounds over time. The sooner you act, the sooner you stop surviving and start thriving. You can create wealth, freedom, and the life you truly deserve today. Let's dive deeper into why saving alone is dangerous. Imagine you have $10,000 sitting in a savings account earning 1% interest. In 10 years, your money hasn't grown significantly, yet inflation has quietly decreased its purchasing power, leaving you behind. Contrast this with investing $10,000 in a diversified stock market portfolio. Over the same period, your money could more than double, and if compounded monthly, you're potentially looking at growth that could fund a down payment on a house, start a business, or even retire earlier. Many young Americans focus solely on cutting costs. Skip Starbucks, save $5 a day, they say. But while this shows discipline, it rarely changes long-term financial outcomes. The real leverage comes from multiplying money through smart investments, not just minimizing expenses. Side hustles, freelance work, and digital businesses are not optional anymore. They're essential. One extra income stream might not seem like much, but when compounded with investing in skill growth, it can create massive financial leverage over the next decade. Let's talk mindset, the psychological difference between savers and wealth builders. Savers live in fear. Fear of risk, fear of loss, fear of making mistakes. Wealth builders live in calculated action, using risk as a tool to create more opportunity. Every dollar you earn is a soldier. You can deploy it to survive, or you can deploy it to grow, invest, and create options. The sooner you treat money this way, the sooner you escape the hamster wheel of saving without growing. Fear keeps most people trapped. They think, what if I lose my money? Or I'm not smart enough to invest. The truth. Calculated, informed actions beat fear every time. Even small, consistent steps outperform fear-driven inaction. Emergency funds, yes, but don't stop there. Protecting against disaster is only the first layer. The second, far more powerful layer is investment and wealth creation, which allows your money to work for you instead of you always working for money. Compound interest is a game changer. Start early, even with $50 per month, and over decades, the growth becomes exponential. Time is the most valuable asset you have, not money itself. Multiple income streams are the secret weapon. Your 9-to-5 is not enough. Freelancing, digital products, real estate, and side businesses diversify your income and protect you against economic shifts, layoffs, and inflation. Every small financial decision compounds over time. What seems insignificant today, skipping that extra coffee, putting $100 into stocks, spending an hour learning a new skill, can become monumental in a decade. Most people know these principles but fail to act. Knowledge alone doesn't build wealth, execution does. The choice is yours. Act now or watch decades of potential slip through your fingers. Imagine your 30-year-old self looking back. Will they thank you for taking action or resent you for procrastinating? Every small step now is a gift to your future self. This is not theory, it's reality. Stories of young Americans who invested $50 a month, started side hustles, and focused on skill growth show how ordinary people can achieve extraordinary wealth. Saving is just the first step. True wealth comes from deploying your money strategically, learning, investing, creating income streams, and thinking long-term. Those who master this escape mediocrity, break free from false comfort, stop surviving, and start thriving. Wealth isn't a dream, it's a decision, a mindset, and a series of consistent actions that you can start today. Remember, time is your most valuable ally. The earlier you start thinking like an investor, the more powerful compounding becomes, and the more options you give yourself in life. Don't let fear or indecision rob you of the life you deserve. Begin now, take action, and let your money start working for you, because saving alone will never make you rich.